Flying high, staying safe. A look at airport security. Air travel fascinates me. The thrill of soaring above the clouds, the excitement of reaching new destinations. It's all so exhilarating. It's incredible how we can travel thousands of miles in just hours. But with this convenience comes a great responsibility to ensure everyone's safety. Airport security plays a crucial role in ensuring our safety. From the moment we step into the airport, various measures are in place to protect us. In the early days of aviation, security was minimal. Imagine that! There were no elaborate checks or screenings. Passengers could walk right onto planes with barely any checks. It was a different era, with fewer concerns about security threats. However, events like hijackings in the 1960s and 70s highlighted the need for better security measures. These incidents were wake-up calls for the aviation industry. Over time, airports implemented metal detectors, X-ray machines for luggage, and stricter passenger screening. These changes were essential to enhance safety. The tragic events of September 11, 2001 drastically changed airport security forever. The world realized the importance of stringent security measures. Today, we have advanced technologies like full-body scanners and sophisticated screening procedures. These innovations are designed to detect even the smallest threats. These measures aim to detect and prevent potential threats, keeping us safe in the skies. Every step, from check-in to boarding, is meticulously monitored to ensure our safety. A smuggler's scheme. Imagining a security breach. In today's world, where security measures are constantly evolving, the threat of a breach is ever present. Even with these advancements, no system is foolproof. There are always vulnerabilities that can be exploited by those with malicious intent. Let's imagine a potential security breach scenario. Picture the bustling environment of an airport, where thousands of people are moving through security checkpoints every day. Picture this. A smuggler wants to get a prohibited item onto a plane. They meticulously plan their actions, knowing that even a small mistake could lead to their capture. They could try concealing it within a seemingly harmless object, like a hollowed-out book, which might easily pass through a casual inspection, or a modified electronic device. These items are often overlooked because they appear to be everyday objects, or they might try to exploit human error, hoping a distracted security officer might miss something on the X-ray screen. Human vigilance is a critical component of security. If successful, the consequences could be severe. The smuggler could board the plane with the hidden threat, endangering everyone on board. The prohibited item could be a weapon, posing a direct threat to the safety of passengers and crew. The potential for harm is immense. It could also be something illegal, putting the airline and authorities at risk. The ramifications of such a breach extend beyond immediate danger. This scenario underscores the importance of constant vigilance and the need for robust security protocols. Continuous training and awareness are essential to prevent such threats. Layers of protection. How airports keep us safe. Airports are bustling hubs of activity, and ensuring the safety of passengers is a top priority. So how do airports work to prevent these kinds of breaches? The answer lies in a multi-layered approach to security. Think of airport security as a series of layers, each designed to catch potential threats. These layers work in harmony to provide a robust defense. The first layer is often the most visible, the security checkpoint. This is where passengers first encounter the security measures in place. Here we encounter metal detectors that scan for metallic objects. These detectors are crucial in identifying any hidden weapons or dangerous items. We also have X-ray machines that screen our carry-on bags for prohibited items. These machines provide a detailed view of the contents of each bag. Next, we have security personnel. These trained professionals are essential in maintaining the integrity of the security process. Trained officers monitor the screening equipment, looking for anything suspicious. Their vigilance is key to identifying potential threats. They may also conduct physical searches of bags or pat-downs if necessary. This additional layer ensures that nothing is missed. Behind the scenes, there are even more security measures in place. These measures are often invisible to passengers, but are crucial for overall safety. Airports use sophisticated surveillance systems, including a network of security cameras that monitor every corner of the airport. Canine units trained to detect explosives are also part of the security team. These dogs are highly skilled and can identify even the smallest traces of explosives, and even behavioral detection techniques to identify potential threats. Security personnel are trained to observe and analyze passenger behavior for any signs of suspicious activity. These layers of security work together to create a comprehensive system designed to keep us safe. Each layer adds a level of protection, ensuring that airports remain secure environments for all travelers. Weak links in the chain, exploring security vulnerabilities. While airport security has come a long way, vulnerabilities still exist. One vulnerability lies in the potential for human error. Security officers are human, and they can get tired, distracted, or make mistakes. Another vulnerability is the constant evolution of threats. As technology advances, so do the methods used by those who intend to do harm. Airports must constantly adapt their security measures to stay ahead of these evolving threats. Additionally, there's always a balance to strike between security and efficiency. Long security lines can be frustrating for travelers, but rushing the screening process can compromise safety. It's a constant challenge for airports to maintain a high level of security while also ensuring a smooth and efficient travel experience. Section 5. Lessons learned. The impact of breaches on airport security. Every security breach, whether attempted or successful, provides valuable lessons. Airports and security agencies carefully analyze these incidents to identify weaknesses and improve their protocols. For instance, if a breach involved a new type of explosive device, airports might invest in advanced screening equipment to detect similar threats in the future. Or, if a breach exploited a procedural loophole, airports might revise their training programs to address that specific vulnerability. Each breach serves as a reminder that airport security is an ongoing process of adaptation and improvement. It's about learning from past mistakes and constantly striving to stay one step ahead of potential threats. Section 6. The price of safety. Balancing security and traveler experience. We all want a smooth and enjoyable travel experience, but security is paramount. It's important to remember that the security measures in place are there to protect us. Yes, long lines and intrusive screenings can be inconvenient. However, they are a small price to pay for the safety and security of everyone on board. It's about finding a balance between efficiency and effectiveness. Airports are continuously exploring new technologies and approaches to enhance security while minimizing disruptions to the travel experience. Section 7. Your thoughts matter. Reflecting on airport security. Airport security is a complex and ever-evolving issue. It's something that affects all of us who travel by air. What are your thoughts on the current state of airport security? Do you feel safe when you travel? What measures do you think are most effective? Share your perspectives in the comments below. Section 8. Join the conversation exploring airport security further. I'm always eager to learn more about this critical topic. For further insights, check out these resources. Provide links to relevant articles or videos on airport security. Let's continue the conversation and work together to ensure safe and secure skies for everyone.